So we saw our 3D figure on a flat surface, which sometimes our visual perception can't see what dimensions I'm talking about. So I'm going to take our actual 3D figure and open it up into a net. And a net just shows this figure in all its 6 faces. So we can see the top here. If I were to open this up into a net, I would have a rectangular top, which goes up here. My top and my bottom match up. I could see the side here and the side here. As I'm opening it, you could see the back. If this were the top, here's the back. There's the bottom there, and then below the bottom is the front. So watch me fold it up again. Here's the top, the back, the bottom's going to come up, the front's going to fold forward, and then I have the side and the side. So I'm going to go ahead and let you draw this so you have this in your notes. We'll draw it off to the side here. And I'm going to start with the bottom. So this is my bottom, and you can see it's a rectangle. And if I want to find my dimensions, they're 8 by 6. So here would be my 8 centimeters, and here's my 6 centimeters. And I'm going to shade this bottom green, and this is my bottom. After that, I have the back, which is here, and I'm going to fill in my back here, and I can see the dimensions to the back. This segment here is corresponding to this one, so this would also be 8 centimeters, and back here, in here all corresponds. So 7 centimeters would go right here in the back. So this here would be 7 centimeters. And this is the back. I'm going to make the back a different color because remember that we have the 2 pairs that are congruent. So the back and the front are going to be the same. The bottom and the top are going to be the same. After the back, I have the top that would fold over the top. So I'm going to draw the top. And recall that the top and the bottom are the same exact figures. So they're going to have the same dimensions. So I'm going to shade this one green because it pairs up with the bottom. So top and bottom are the same dimensions. Back and front would also be the same dimensions. So I'm going to move this up here inside. And down here would be my front. And I'm going to shade it blue to show you what it pairs with, that it pairs with the back. And then the last things I have are my sides. And here's the 6. And the other side is here, which corresponds to this side. So my sides are 6 by 7. I'm going to draw those on here. And the 6 is already indicated. And here's my side. And then so this side here would be 7 centimeters as well. So you can see the back here is 7 centimeters and the side is also centimeters, because this is my side here and it corresponds with the back here. So some people like using nets, and if you want to try drawing nets from your 3D figures, you can go ahead and do that if it helps you. So I'm going to fold this back up as I wrap up this lesson on nets. So here's my bottom, my 2 sides and my front. I'm going to close this up. My front is going to go forward. The back goes up, the top goes down, and my